To turn on or off flashlight on the Samsung Galaxy A57, let me show you two quick methods. The first method and the fastest will be to create a shortcut, for example, into the power button. So once you actually create it, you can just double tap on the power button and it will start working. So the first method with this shortcut, go to the settings, open advanced features, select side button, go to the double press on this and switch for the flashlight. Now take a look. We double tap and the flashlight turn on and turns off. But if you are using shortcut with some other options, you can always go into the quick settings and find the flashlight icon. If it is not here for some reason, you can click here to edit and go for add control and check if the flashlight is not available somewhere here. So you can bring it anywhere you want by clicking and holding and putting this just wherever you want. Now when you click on the edit, you can find it here and you can bring it, for example, to the top. And you have to click down in the right upper corner.